What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and we're just doing a little review on what we were doing this week in the market. The S&P has been on a bearish tear. We are now officially in a state of correction, just lower than 10% off of its high. You saw this double top play out over the last few weeks, and boom, today we settled down 10.5%. We were calling this breakdown from all the way up here, and I was saying both in Ask a Trader and in the videos that if that 50-day simple moving average breaks to the downside, we were going to see a massive sell-off. And you can see that that 50-day broke down. We rallied, ran right into a 10-day exponential moving average, creating a bear flag that played out, and boom, here we are. I called on Twitter for 2,700 support. That has been taken out ages ago, and we are now sitting at a new low over a short-term basis of 26.28, and the momentum is still ripping to the downside. So I suspect that we're potentially going to see some of these lower levels get checked in the next little while, but it's great. I mean, for the short traders in our community, there's just been taking advantage of all the relative strength, and I want to review a couple stocks that we put out there in the trade alert last week that have completely played out. The first one is MU. Now you can see that the market had been selling off on the S&P, and there was this double bottom right through here with 40.68 support. We called this out in a trade alert, and I was saying that we had target number 1 and 2 both set at 37.50 and 34.10. Both targets have been hit, and there is still some downside momentum to go. The ultimate target is 29.58. Will that be seen? I'm not entirely sure. There is a bit of error between where price action has settled today and the 20-day simple moving average. So we might get a rally and then have this thing bear flag lower. Caveat is S&P has to keep working its way to the downside. So MU played out very, very well for our members. Electronic Arts was another short that we called for at 102.30. That has since broken down. It's taken out our first target of 96.95, and you can see that this pin bar right through here is extremely bearish. It tried to work its way up today, could not, settled a little bit lower, and that downside momentum is still working its way through the system. So what I suspect is that this is probably going to, again, run even further down to that 91.60 mark. As it stands right through here, this 96.95 level was a target because it was the bottom of a previous gap up. And so this gap is now filled, high probability trade, which played itself out over the last little while. And now we have some momentum to go down to that 91.60 level potentially. The big winner of the week that everybody was making some good cash on was CLVS. And this has actually lost about 30% of value on the common stock, working its way from 26.27 all the way down to this 17.92 level. Now, the thing about this particular stock is that when we were looking at the puts, they were trading at roughly $3.30. Currently, after the market closed, these things are trading at $7.30. That's on the puts. This particular position on the puts are up 122% over a 5-session period. So we called this out on Sunday. The market was closed. I put together the list. I sent it out to the members, and I said, only trade these at these key levels, and that's what happened. Key levels on a whole bunch of stocks broke down, and CLVS was the big winner out of the lot that I put out there. If you guys have any questions, by all means, give me an email. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Turn those notifications on. And if you want to get in front of some of these massive trades and join us in Ask a Trader, which we host twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, live webinar, and you want to connect with our community, there is also a link just below in the description box to get you involved with our trading community. You'll love this. To be a member and to get Ask a Trader and to get the trade alert sent out to you, it is $29.99 a month. Extremely affordable, and the point of it all is to get you in front of some of these big trades without breaking the bank to become a member. So if you want to get involved, link is below. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And don't forget to turn those notifications on because we're always going to be doing these market reviews. We will see you in the next lesson, and thanks for watching.